So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up for an American Express Scene Plus card here on the Scotiabank app. So once the Scotiabank app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the home screen, then go down to where it says credit cards and then press on add card. Once you're on this page right here, it'll bring you to the Discover Credit Card page. So if I were to scroll down here, you can browse it by category. Just for simplicity's sake, let's go to the bottom here and let's just select Scene Plus cards right here. So once you're here and you want to look for the Scene Plus American Express card, just slide to the right to start options to the Scotiabank Gold American Express card, then press on Apply Now. And once you're on this page, it's pretty simple. You can just go ahead and start the application process. You can scroll down, read all the details that you have to read. Obviously do your due diligence. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, just go to the bottom, press agree and continue to proceed with the application process. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sign up for an American Express Scene Plus card on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.